Hey, it's Nikolai of Global Seafoods. Many of you guys have already spoken to me on the phone or by email about your seafood questions and needs. And this week I decided to change our newsletter a little bit by adding this video to explain what we're offering this week and what's new. So first of all, great news is we brought back some of our very popular smoked salmon, some of the best smoked salmon that we carry. Once again, we have right here is the hot smoked classic Sockeye salmon. Absolutely delicious. It's great. And here we have the Sockeye salmon candy, which is great. It's a great balance of sweet and savory. Both are absolutely delicious. We have great reviews for both of them. I'm actually very jealous of anyone who gets to eat this stuff because from what I'm told, it's great, but it contains apples, and I'm allergic to apples, so I'm a little bit jealous of you guys. Also, I want to remind you guys about our new Japanese style sushi knives that we have added to our inventory in hopes of creating our new accessory section on our seafood store. These are high quality Damascus steel knives, and they do a super job of cutting anything. As you can see, I'm gonna do a couple of cuts here on this smoked salmon. There we go. Just cut straight through it, gave us some nice clean cuts. And then we'll cut a little bit of this candy here. Move some of this stuff out of the way. Just give it some nice smooth cut. A little bit frozen still, but as you can see, it does a very good job, very smooth. And you can see the salmon still very flaky, very oily. I mean, look at my hands, just covered in oil. This stuff is delicious. It's absolutely great. If you guys have any more questions, please let us know by emailing us or calling us. Hope you guys enjoyed this new style of presentation, and have a great weekend, and thank you for choosing Global Seafoods.